rela. Let's fight with me in the name of Allah. Once upon a time, in the beautiful land at the tip of Sumatra, known as Aceh Darussalam, a historical place, a place filled with the great Islamic teaching, a place where the sentence La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah pronounced loudly, and a place where we can find happiness and peace. There lived a warrior, a superwoman who never known the word upset or giving up. She is Admiral Kamala Hayati. Admiral Kamala Hayati, known as the founder of Indonesia, the first one troops where the people were our women. Admiral Kamala Hayati and her troops were freed by the enemies in the coast all over Aceh Besar and the Strait of Malacca. Admiral Kamala Hayati was a woman from Aceh who was born on January 1, 1550. Admiral Kamala Hayati, who is a great-granddaughter from Sultan Saudijah, the second king from Aceh, who was ruled from 1530 to 1539. She becoming one of the leaders of Tanah Rancang who had great courage. Besides Chunya Adin and Chunya Mutia was fight against colonialism, born with the name Kamala Hayati, she came from a blue-blood Asian-faring family. Since a child, she has known and understand about Islamic teaching and Tawhid, of her varying family's religions. Oh, my beautiful daughter, we are really happy that Allah has given us a beautiful daughter like you. As the form of our gratitude, we will teach and guide you to understand Tawhid and Islamic teaching, and only scared to our one and only God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Nothing much worship but Him, dear. Dear my parents, I promise that I'll never betray your trust and love to me. La ilaha illallah will always be my guide, inshallah. Kamala Hayati's journey to becoming admiral was far more enduring. It just not began in the battlefield, it's born in the matrimony. Kamala Hayati was married by a prominent figure in the military mind, whose duty and inspired her by her figure. His name was Admiral Sultan Mahmudin bin Said Al-Latif. Oh my life, since I took you from your parents, I promise that we always work together, especially in building up our country. Nobody can take away from us, and no one can size what we already have. Yes, my husband, we're going to work together. It's going to be our witness here and how we stand for our religion. Let Allah be our best helper. Not long after that, Kamala Hayati had to face difficult reality. Her lovely husband was passed away. Now, she became a widow who stayed by her on her feet. Ya Allah, I do believe every plan is the best for me. So please help me. I'll never stop in the struggle. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Not long after that, Kamala Hayati proposed to the king of Aceh to form an army of all the widows of all the soldiers who died in the wars. The point was great. She appointed as the leader of the Indonesia troops. With the admiral of the ranks, Kamala Hayati was the first woman from Aceh who has the role of these ranks. She named the elite troops the Indonesia troops or the famous soldiers with a widow status. Hey, all of my people, I know it's not easy to be widowed. None of us want at this situation. But remember, we can't let our country and our religion be colonized by those unimportant people. Never let it be. So, wipe your tears, take your gun, wear your fear, and let's fight with me in the name of Allah. Allahu Akbar. Until finally, on June 21, the two Dutch ships containing the warship, the Lou and the Louis, containing the warship and led to Rotterdam at the port of Sumatra, led by two brothers, Cornelis and Frederick the Hetman. They are always rejected by the people of Aceh as well when they come at the Sumatra. Kamala Hayati and her people had been waiting because the Sultan of Aceh ordered Kamala Hayati and her people to chase away the ship. Admiral Kamala Hayati, it's your time to protect our country. I'll give you this legacy. Let you and your people endure this, and Allah will always be our best helper, now and forever. Hey you guys, the people that will never win and never be accepted in our place. What's your intention here? You better show you who we really are. Kamala made the enemies was very scared about the courage. Fight them out. We better die in Taurina than giving up. Allah Akbar. Until finally, Kamala people did war. And finally, Freddy Gordon was died in this war. She was not only good in the making negotiations. She's not only good in war, but she's also good in the making negotiation. The negotiation was done by the Dutch to let the people in the peace. And Freddy Gordon was died in this war. Kamala made the negotiation that they must have paid for the compensation. And Kamala died in 1650. Her grave is stayed in Kurung Raya village at Regency. So